welcome to another Keep It Reet YouTube episode. Hello! Today we're back on the rundowns. Some spicy cars. This one being a car we've just received from a meticulous car builder. Stole it off him. Give it to me! For another Kang giveaway. Here we have an RB GDR running gear. SR20. We have a GDR running gear all drive S15.
That's fancy. That's something you don't see every day. In a class of its own.
Yes.
Not only does it have the awesome appearance of the S15, it's probably one of the best looking JDM cars in the world. It's got the capabilities of a GDR with the all drive, which is also on a switch. Flick it on or off.
Best running gear in the best chassis, some may say. Minimal in the world, makes 550 rear wheel kilowatt. Yeah.
Rear wheel?
All wheel. All wheel. I mean, why would have been done it in rear wheel, so you could say rear wheel kilowatt.
All wheel kilowatt.
All wheel kilowatt. So she's pretty spicy, and it's very well built. And we're gonna go over it today, so no more rambling. We'll go through it. And I'm hungry as well, so might get some food on the way. Food review. Alright, that's it. Enjoy.
Hello. If you like the specs on that beautiful, spicy car, you will be happy to find out that it's a giveaway car. So head down to keepitreet.com right now and get yourself an entry to win.
How's the indicators in the dash surround? See that?
It's full custom.
That's gangster.
What? G'day guys, us.
The non-sunroof. So we got the headroom. This steering wheel looks like the one TJ Hunt just put on his R34 with the Nasmo thing.
Oh, broke.
Ah! Oh! Oh yeah, she's Nasmo. R33 GDR. Oh!
Grab his
I told you. Yeah, 33 GDR seats, as I was saying. Beautiful, G-ready novice. We have an all-drive controller here, which allows us to control how much the front diff engages, which is pretty cool.
It's a crispy electric throttle. There's a kill switch in there.
We've got a battery isolator, and then there's a switch in there to turn all drive off and on completely. And there's an all drive controller there. He said the way he's got the all drive controller set up at the minute, it'll spin the rears a tiny bit in first and then it'll fully hook after that.
Yeah, right.
So it's a little bit rear biased.
So crispy.
We're beached. We got oncoming traffic on the
oncoming carcasses from the fucking station.
That gearbox cross members loves.
How low is it? Oh, I got someone waiting.
Here we go. Holy dooly! Sheesh! That puts you back.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah. Tunnel of Ash.
That's fast.
That's very fast.
Wow, that's sick. Oh, that boogies.
I'm hungry.
Wow.
Yeah, damn, she comes on hard. Like,
Yeah.
I guess the lighter car too. So it's kind of like the 800 horsepower setup in just a lighter car. So she takes off a bit quicker.
Quick. If you didn't know, Logan actually has a YouTube channel. He builds some gangster cars like this one. Check it out. Logan Speed Shop. Yeah, check it out. He just finished building an FC RX-7 with a crispy turbo 13B, and it's just as premium as this thing. Does a good job. The exhaust is definitely a nice street setup. It's not obnoxious. Sounds good. I like my things obnoxious. I'd probably just straight drive it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get pulled over pretty quick.
Just love a crispy exhaust. Yeah.
And the limmy sounds good.
A little bit harsh. Like me a fast, non-harsh limmy. The drive's nice. The steering's awesome. He's figured out the key on the electric powered steering. One of the only in Oz to figure it out.
First giveaway, well, first car in general, Jason's ever driven, aside from in Ireland, that had the good electric power steering. 32 PSI, 550 kilowatt, 8k RPM. Doesn't say who tuned it. Speed Tech gearbox. So it's got the billet gear set, rated to all the horsepowers. R35 GDR rear axle conversion. It's very well built. It's not often you get in a car that has had the time and money spent on it like this.
Anyway, I'm hungry. Oh, what do we get? Oh, what am I getting? You get 8 once again.
Yes. Rambo. Rambo. Rambo.
Rainbow.
What was that, first and second or?
First, second, yeah.
Need that third gear. And the first gear was like, oh yeah, second gear. Ooh. It's his stomach just getting sunken back. That's okay.
Very nice steering wheel. It's crispy. Crispy suede.
1,600 bucks.
Pretty cool.
A pretty expensive steering wheel.
Yeah.
When you consider it.
No, yeah, that's very up there. What are they? Oh, they're $3,000.
Those other Nismo wheels.
Yeah. The OG
OGs.
Nismo. Can't get red.
Discontinued.
Oh. Red Rooter. Go through. I'm kind of hungry. HSP is it?
No worries, your total's $15.95, try stealing your ready.
Hot honey fried dragon. Try not to scrape those Hannah Sports. Can I get extra mayo on the? Yeah, I have to. Extra mayo. Cheers.
Have a great day.
You too.
Farron's food reviews.
Nice. Kang Rapper Sub Extra Mayo.
Give us a little walk through. What do we got?
You obviously want to know what's going on here. And no, the most disappointing thing, it is not a 26. It's actually a 25 in there. And it's the cutout right here. Still got the VCT, there's a solenoid right there.
But it's a forged 25.
It's forged and it's
Which means
spiced.
VCT, which
angry.
means it's technically better.
In some ways better. So it's actually a DT Neo, so it's got same solid with the head. So she's got BCT and he's obviously kept it. Got Ross pistons, spool rods, ATI balancer, ARP main studs, ARP half-inch head studs, the big boys you were talking about. HP Junkie ported head, whatever that is. Billet oil pump gears, Tomei sump baffle, 6-boost Manny, Garrett GT 3884. I've never heard that combo in my life, but there you go. That's what it is.
It works.
It definitely works. 3.5-inch stainless exhaust, 50mm external gate, Turbo Smart gate, Turbo Smart boost controller, ETS 4-inch intercooler.
Chonky boy.
Chonky, what's ETS? Engineered to slide. Gritty intake. I don't know if that's genuine or not, but like you said, Jack, it's got a cool little push-in fitting to convert to AN, and it's got another weld-on AN fitting down there for the return. Frenchie's twin in-tank pump setup, twin Walbros, custom catch can, got some Raceworks goodies, Quay front diff, Nismo 1.5 way rear, R35 GDR rear axle conversion. I think you might have said that. That's pretty cool. Brembo brakes, Panasport wheels.
Speed Tech box.
Obviously powered by the best, the Haltech 2500 Elite, with some wideband and custom. He does wiring if you didn't know. I don't know if you said that as well.
Yeah,
Logan Speed Shop. He sells some parts and he does
Auto sparks.
Yeah, she does wirings. So yeah.
Twist and tapes.
Yeah, drive-by-wire model.
Logan, if you're watching this, I'm going to find some twists and tape somewhere.
Yeah,
I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it. Oh, yeah, definitely soldered them. I hope.
we found this already. Custom.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Heat shrink
braid
and electric braid for to make your factory shot look fancy.
Fake. You're an imposter.
Fresh undercoating. What does that mean? Fresh gloss white paint. Very clean paint. Oh, imposter. That's very cool.
3D printed.
3D printed.
Yeah,
rubber.
the paint is insane. It's obviously had a lot of wet sanding and buffing, I'd say, because
look at that.
it is so flat, like zero peel whatsoever. It's quite nice.
Quite nice. And the attention to the bay, like look at that. the welds be ground back, and then whatever is done to get that premium finish.
Sealed up.
Sealed.
Quite beautiful.
And the lab. It's got D-Max rear lights. I think that's a D-Max Wang.
Origin, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, I think
Got
so.
an orange boot lip. Origin.
Orange.
Orange. Oh, that's right. It's got the Rex Kelway tubs. That's the tubs. OEM brand new headlights. Shockworks coilovers. GK Tech arms throughout.
It's got everything.
It's got everything. It's
That's
all there.
it.
Once again, it's all there. It's been a pretty spicy build. 550 kilowatt. 32 PSI.
Shoo!
Not bad. Power sports are cool, but on a GDR. And they're 17s too. I feel like we could definitely pull off some 18s on that ass. It's just like 17s are just too tame now for me. I don't know. What do you reckon, Jazzy?
They're small. If you had like fat slicks on it, it'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, a fatter slick would be cool.
But yeah, the fitment on an 18 could
Actually,
probably
that'd be very cool.
nice.
You could like raise it a bit and make it GDR spec.
Yeah.
Like the 800 HP
Yeah.
one.
Put some Mickey Thompsons on it.
Get like a less offset wheel, bit of bulge in
This
there.
is kind of the happy medium though.
Yeah.
It's a bit of stance, bit of race.
Get away with it.
We're talking about going one way or the other. Either putting 18s on it and shat tyres, or raising it and putting good tyres on it. This is in between.
Interior, I've already gone over that. A Nismo wheel, G-Ready knobber. It's just clean. It's got all the bits, 33 GDR seats.
Everything's shaved, so there's no badges anywhere.
It's got a little knobbers. Not a fan.
It's a bit small.
Bit small.
Bit small.
At least a 5 or 6 inch dumpy there. Yeah.
Ooh, quite nice.
Nice.
Bridgestone Potenza AE 003s all round.
Not bad. They hook up pretty good.
True, I'm interrupting your broadcast to bring you a very important message. This Friday, 8th September, we have the last round of Battle Royale. Who's gonna be the champ? Come down, Jason's gonna be driving the wagon, Marcus is gonna be rubbing some doors. Who's gonna take it home? Get down there.
We're back. Jason was telling us he recently discovered it's actually got an ORC triple plate in it.
Yes. I don't like it. It wasn't extreme or whatever we said. But yeah, triples and quads kind of thing.
When people put an engine that's not made for that car in that car, shat.
It's pretty bloody spot on.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. You said that's a nice dose.
Crackers.
Yeah, crackers.
We're on our way to the Autobahn. We're on our way to the Autobahn.
It's my uncle's Autobahn.
Yeah,
I really like this dash. What is it? Logitech?
got the Logitech dash, the Thrustmaster, Windows PC, power tuner.
Got that
Power tune.
Thrustmaster steering wheel. I like it. It's like a little iPad thing.
Yeah, it's really neat the way he's got it set up. I think it's programmable. The way he's got it set up is real nice. Pulling on the Autobahn. I'd love to see this thing race 1,000 horsepower GTI. Yeah, it's bloody quick, man. That's gay! Woo! Damn! This thing holds ass!
Definitely does.
That's quick!
It's like really early. That's why it feels so spiced because it has that torque.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. When you click gears though and get back into it, it's like,
Yeah.
ooh!
Another hit.
The G's.
Yeah.
The G's.
Just love like a multiple speed sequential would be perfect setup for it. Every hit, when it starts to drop off, you just click another gear. Very nice.
You want to see what two-wheel drive does? I think it'll do much.
I don't think it'll do much. It's going everywhere.
It would be interesting to feel the difference though. Does all-wheel drive make that much difference? How did it feel? Like pretty pinned straight? Not bad, didn't walk too much.
Yeah, felt pretty good.
The quaife front diff.
Kick out a little bit the first gear.
Yeah.
Good slap.
Quaife front diff stops it from like...
Gonna chop me and cut me up because I won't be able to take it off.
Gonna get topped by the...
Jazzes.
Yeah, the quaife stops the front from pegging and pulling you in all sorts of directions like the standard GDR diffs do. Keeps you going straight. That's always convenient.
Yeah.
Dropped by Chaz. Alright, two-wheel drive hit. Let's see what happens. Milshy hook. We should just slide everywhere.
Scrubbers. Doesn't have the same pull in third. Not as hard.
Interesting.
Doesn't have the.
Definitely was skating in first and second.
Yeah, a bit of a skate. He's squatting a lot and scrubbing on that side.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, this car's fast. It's really fast. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, it's definitely crispy. I mean, the way it came on, definitely didn't expect that hit.
She kicks like a 12 gauge.
Yeah. There she is. One of very few in the world. An all-wheel drive S chassis. And with some good power and very well built. You can win it as well, of course. Make sure you head to our website, check it out. If you like this video, want to see more out there builds and spicy cars with plenty of power, scaring myself and Jassy, then click that like and subscribe. Click it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.